Hello everyone, this is Dr. T. I wanted to give you a little bit of guidance on how to answer opinion-based discussion board post. Often has been my experience that, well, first of all, let me back up. First thing you got to understand is, why are you pursuing higher education? You're pursuing higher education, many of you would say, to get a job, but to get a job would mean you'd have to have skills, and those skills are based on knowledge. So where the rubber meets the road, as far as a college student goes, be it undergrad, grad, doctoral student, is you're obtaining knowledge, which then can be honed into skills and then qualifications, so on and so forth, to get a job. But you need to think through this. Education is the knowledge business. And so when someone asks you what your opinion is on something, it's very important that you demonstrate knowledge, not just subjective experience. And here's what's going on in today's society, or with students that I see today predominantly. What they'll do is they'll say it's an opinion question. In your opinion, what is da-da-da-da-da, whatever it is. Well, what I've seen, especially on the undergraduate level, is opinion is interpreted as personal preference instead of a belief that is based on good reasons and is true. So, in a sense, there's where the miscommunication occurs. And so what can happen is, you're supposed to read chapter 3 of a book, let's say, a textbook, and give your, in your opinion and whatever the question is, but it's usually based on what's in the text, because that's the knowledge that you're learning to develop. And so by interpreting the question in such a personal preference way, you're basically allowed not to read the chapter because it's just your opinion. Well, that's a really good way to not obtain knowledge and not do well in the class. So whenever you hear one of your professors say, in your opinion, what are they asking? What they are asking is for you to express in writing or verbally, however the assignment is set up, writing in the case of a discussion, a belief that you hold that is based on good reasons, derived from the reading material, and is true. So it needs to be a claim that you put forth that can be defended. It's difficult to defend a personal preference. Well, I like a blue shirt instead of a red shirt, therefore blue shirts are better. Based on what? So when you hear in your opinion, what I'm specifically asking you for is your belief based on good reasons found in the sources of the material for the course that happens to be true. So don't misunderstand that, because if you do, it'll be very painful. Your grade will be, but otherwise you're actually going to learn how to create or develop knowledge. And remember, the reason we're doing this is knowledge leads to skills, which leads to jobs and leads to your vocation and calling. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. God bless. Look forward to interacting with you soon.